We walked away with something, but that's not really what we wanted. We wanted to move that application, challenging the jurisdiction of the court. That is key to our defense strategy. But that we were not able to move that application today is not pleasing to us. But we can understand the procedural constraints within which the court had to operate today. We went through all that, and it was something quite a little bit out of ordinary. But at least we went home. We're going home with something. Improvement in our client's detention conditions is something that has been critical in our own reckoning, and we got that improvement as court order today. Thank you very much.
So that application was filed as some of the respondents, and it adjourned. It was straight today from hearing. So, and the court had it today, consequently granted the application for a bit of time. Though the court took us through the time schedule, and obviously it's apparent that the court may not be able to accommodate this date, but the High Court is on vacation on 14th of this month. So, and other engagement, the official engagement is not cheap we have. So, now adjourn it to 18th of January to hear the application challenging the judicial of the court to defend the charge. So that application is very fundamental. Fundamental in the sense that if it is ruled in our favor, that will bring to an end this charge. And it's rooted on strong laws, facts, and arguments in law, on law. Because we of the view, firm view in law, that the 7-count charge, the charge filed against our client, defendant, is not only watery but empty and a worthless weapon. So, and we effectively challenge it, and we are of the firm view and believing strongly in law that that application will be found meritorious when it is had. However, you are familiar with the fact that we raised concerns a few days ago, me and my colleague raised concerns a few days ago through our press statement about his condition in DSS, how he's being subjected to solitary confinement, how his medical experts are not allowed to see him, how the court orders are being flouted with levity by the SSS officials, external authority. So we raised those concerns, and court made several orders today. First of all, that his place of detention should be changed. Two, that the DSS should allow medical experts to visit him, and they should comply with orders of the court, and also provide him with good food, and also allow persons of his choice to also visit him and allow him to practice his faith, because before now he hasn't been allowed to practice his faith. So the court made order today to allow him to practice his faith today, and also giving good food. So these are among the fundamental orders court made today, and they are rolling out those orders today. And of course,
thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.